What's going on, guys? Fuck you. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name's Chris. Today we are doing Toys for Tots on my boy's 2015 STI. Here's a little glimpse of it right there. Some of that bad boy right there. All right.
Go give this man a follow on absolutely everything. Snapchat, Instagram, even Facebook. This man does incredible work. This car came out phenomenal. You guys see it in all the videos. This thing is just calling all these freaking kids so I can give them presents and shit. I'm gonna feel like I'm Santa rolling down 87. Like, it's gonna be great. Shout out to Chris. That guy in the BRZ, look at that thing, and then look at him. Go give him a follow.
Well, guys, this is the end of the video, so like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys soon. All right.